You're about to learn how to monetize your website the right way. So this is for bloggers who want to make more money from their website. And I'm going to take you down a slightly different avenue than you might be expecting, because the most common ways to monetize a blog is, of course, through CPM. So we're going to avoid display advertising. We're not going to worry about click-through rates or earnings per impression, that kind of thing. What we're going to do is focus on building a machine, a system that monetizes your website 24/7 on autopilot. I'm going to show you how to build it in this presentation. And we're going to avoid looking at other methods like sponsored posts or doing product reviews, all of which require you to have a very high traffic website in order for you to make money. So we're going to look at a method that works. I mean, even if you have something like 50 visitors a day, you're going to do pretty well from this method, because I know, because it's what I use on most of my websites. Now, I have built websites that have huge followings, tens of thousands of people visiting every single day. And I have other websites that I invest less time into that receive less than 50 visitors a day. So this works right across the board, no matter where you are at in your blogging journey. So we're going to look at the one that works consistently for every single blog. So this is all about helping one of my students called Sanjay. He sent me an email asking if I have any advice to help him monetize his blog. So of course, because he's one of my students, I'm going to go out of my way to help him out. And as a result, you might benefit from that too. So this is Sanjay's blog. As you can see, it's about digital marketing, and we've got a few problems here. So the first one that really leaps off the page is there's no way for him to collect email addresses. This is really important. So what he needs to do is, we've got some awesome space at the top here. So what I would do is I would shift this section down, and I would make it so this section at the top here, I would make that a pretty big opt-in form. So I would start collecting email addresses here. Let me draw on a field here, and we'd add a button there. And then we would offer some kind of freebie. And then again here, instead of using this empty space for potential banner ads, I would use this space to start collecting leads. So again, another opt-in form here, giving away something for free. Now, it's easy to say just start collecting email addresses, but that advice on its own is a little bit useless unless we know exactly what our website visitors want. So for that, you're going to have to look at your Google Analytics, have a look at the highest trafficked pages and content on your website. So choose your highest traffic page, and that gives you an indication of what people want and why they're coming to your website. So I would start with just one page at the moment. So there's actually two ways we could do this. So we could collect email addresses right across the website and have something that's very general in that website to entice people to subscribe to the email list. Or we can get very specific on an article page or a category page. This is something that I would encourage you to look at, looking at the categories of your website and choosing the most popular categories and running specific offers that are relevant to the people visiting those categories or the blogs in those categories. So for example, let's say that the most popular content on his website is this article, Direct Advantages of Email Marketing. So irony aside about the lack of email marketing on this site, which actually needs to be addressed ASAP. And listen, if you're not willing to invest in an email marketing platform at the moment, you have plenty of free options. You've got MailerLite, you've got Sendinblue, you've got MailChimp. Read the terms of service of every single platform before signing up, before following my advice. Make sure that they accept the things which I'm about to suggest in this presentation. So let's say you have your email platform selected and you're up and running with the forms on your site. What I would do is have a look at the most popular content. So it might be direct advantages of email marketing. So here we have got, this is called top of funnel content. So here we are making people aware. So let me just draw on a funnel. It's a crude drawing of a funnel. So at the top here we have awareness. So let me draw on an A for awareness. And this content behind here, all this is making your prospects or your visitors aware of email marketing and why it's a good idea. So the form here, or wherever you have it on your site, so let me quickly draw that on. This form will take your visitors to the next stage of the funnel. That's a really bad arrow. So here we bring them down to the interest section of the funnel. Let me make that into a proper eye. So in order to do that, we need to choose the right lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is just a freebie that we give to our website visitors to entice them to join our email list. So if I was running an opt-in form on this page, I mean, here we have on average email marketing expenses less expensive than other types of marketing. So we're creating awareness about email marketing. So if I was running an opt-in form on this page, I would say something like, here are the 5 best email marketing solutions that won't break the bank. And then once they opt in, they get a free report showing them the 5 best email marketing solutions, in my opinion. And this is important. Each one of those platforms that I mention will have a link, an affiliate link to that service online where they can sign up. So that's how you profit from every single platform that you mention, that you encourage people to join, because look at the process you've just taken them on. So you've educated them about email marketing, the benefits of that, and then you're offering them a solution on how they can get started with email marketing quickly through looking at the 5 best platforms available. Of course, the people who subscribe to your email list and download that report aren't going to take action straight away. The vast majority of those people won't be ready to commit to a service at that point. So for that reason, we need to have a follow-up sequence, and this is where you really make your profit. It's through the back end of a funnel. It's the invisible stuff that we don't really see unless we're in that funnel. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to build the actual engine to make this work. So let's start with your blog post, and traffic is coming. I'll get to traffic in a minute, but we've got visitors coming in here, and then they will need to complete a form. So they opt into your email list, and once they've completed that form, 2 things happen. So the first one is they're redirected to a thank you page. And the second thing that happens is, let me find the right icon, they're added to an email list. So both these things happen. So they land on your blog post, they complete your opt-in form, subscribe to email list, and then they are redirected to a thank you page. Now this will tell them to either confirm their email address, so they have to go to the inbox if you're doing double opt-in email, which I recommend, or they can make a purchase. So if you're signed up with an affiliate program, like I mentioned a few minutes ago, so you can send them to a sales page for which you are an affiliate of, so you earn a commission on that sale. Now, most people will not go down this road. They'll go here, they'll see the thank you page, the confirmation page, and then they'll go directly to their inbox to get the download. So they will go directly to their inbox and they will click a download link to get the PDF. So what's going to happen when they get the PDF? Well, it's going to contain links inside there that you are an affiliate of, and these will link to sales pages where you earn a commission. So that's the process we've got at the very start. So as soon as someone lands on your blog post, they can opt into the form, they hit the thank you page. If they want to continue on, you get a commission of every sale made. Or they will go to their inbox, they'll go to the download link, grab the free report that you've given them, click on the affiliate links, and then purchase that way. Now, knowing most people will not take either of these routes that end in a sale. They might check out the offer, but they might not buy, or they might open the PDF report and again not buy. And that's okay. So we have a follow-up sequence. So let's call this day 2. So what's going to happen on day 2? Well, 2 things are going to happen. So first of all, you're going to have to give a lot of value in that email. So you give useful, actionable information that your leads can use, and then you follow up in the same email with a little pitch to a product that will help move them further along that journey. So you might say in day 2 something like, here are the top 10 email subject lines that are guaranteed to boost your open rate. And then also in the email, you would link to a relevant product that you are an affiliate of and earn a commission for that recommendation. So this is getting a bit crowded. Let me make some room so you can see this clearly. So that is how it looks so far. And then you would repeat this process on day 3. So you would find another excuse to email them. So you might want to have a look at what is next on their journey, in their email marketing journey. So in day 3, you might want to give them some value about doing A/B split testing, how to do that on the email campaigns. So again, you would have an affiliate link inside the email linking to another sales page. So these can be different offers. They can all be the same offer. It doesn't matter, because it's about delivering value and then the pitch. That's really important. So if you have the value side figured out, then making the pitch is pretty easy, because it's just going to be a product, a recommendation that matches with the value you've already delivered. So you can repeat this sequence. So we've got let me correct that, I made a mistake there. So day 1, they receive the PDF report, and then that has affiliate links. On day 2, they receive a high value email, again with another affiliate link, and repeat this again on day 3 and day 4, day 5, for as many days as you want to run this type of campaign. And this is an incredibly profitable engine to build. And yeah, this is going to take a little bit of time to get up and running. It's going to take you a couple of hours to put all the pieces together, but once you know what your visitors want and you know how to help them, that is where you will make the money. And it's a pretty simple, elegant system when we zoom out and look at the bigger picture. So all you have to do is break it down step by step into little manageable chunks. So get that form on your website. find a relevant offer on ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, somewhere, even Amazon, if you don't mind earning a 4% commission rate instead of a 50 or 75% commission rate. So find a relevant offer that you know people need. Give them actionable help, tips that's going to help move them forward. Follow up with a little bit of a pitch, and it works. It works really well. Look at what everyone is doing who is successful. They're doing this kind of thing, and it doesn't matter if they're running traffic to just a straight squeeze page or to a blog post. This is the system to use. So I promised I would talk a little bit about traffic, and let me scroll up. So the best way, or one of the best ways, to get traffic to your website like quickly. So let's say your blog is installed with the Facebook pixel. So what happens is every single person who lands on your blog post is pixeled via the Facebook ads pixel. And then on Facebook, you would create a custom audience just of the people who have visited your website. So the next time they're on Facebook, only those people and nobody else will see an opt-in form or a link to an opt-in form, squeeze page that offers them the lead magnet. And then once they complete that form, they're brought into this system. You see how it works? So when you create a custom audience on Facebook, your costs are going to be very, very low. You're not going to spend a fortune on Facebook ads because you're only running ads to the people that have already seen your content but didn't take action by opting in to your email list. So they're familiar with you, so they're no longer cold traffic. So when it comes to traffic, this is something I'm really knowledgeable about. I'm going to tell you more about this in a second because I've got some ideas for you. But how do you get traffic to your blog post so you can pixel people? Well, there's loads of ways. So we can use Instagram, we can use Reddit, we can use Twitter, guest blogging. So we drive traffic to your blog post, pixel the audience, run retargeting campaigns based on custom audiences, so it's very cheap, and those people will get the chance to go to your opt-in page, complete the form, and fall into the sequence, and then you profit that way. So I hope this makes sense. I hope it's really clear on how to do this. But like I said, with traffic, this is something that I'm really good at. So I want to teach you how to get more traffic to your website today using free methods. Okay, so I've got like a 3 or 4 day training course. All the videos are like short 5 or 6 minute videos. They just show you how to drive traffic to your website, giving you brand new methods that you've probably not seen before. And I'm going to give that to you completely free. So you're going to learn how to build an audience really quickly. I'm going to show you how to double your traffic like instantly. And then I'm going to show you how you can potentially reach 10 million people. You got to see it to believe it. So go to profitcopilot.com/traffic, get the free training course, start driving lots of traffic to your website today for free. Everything I teach is free. I know you're going to love it. And if you have found this useful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel too, because I've got so much more stuff to show you just like this. And remember to hit that little notification bell when you subscribe now, because then you'll be notified when I upload another video, which is going to be tomorrow. So thank you very much for checking this out. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.